The pride of Athens, ancient Greece was made up of a number of city-states, each called a polis. In each polis was an Acropolis, which was the highest part of the city. It served as the city's fortress, and temples and civic buildings were built here. The largest building in the Acropolis of Athens is the Parthenon, the temple dedicated to Athena. The Parthenon in Athens, Greece was built over 2,400 years ago. The Greeks built this temple to honor the goddess Athena. They believed she was a goddess with special powers to protect the city of Athens from harm. The Parthenon is considered the pinnacle of Athenian architectural achievement. The huge columns of the Parthenon rise to a height of 32 feet or 10 meters. Each column is made from a number of round marble blocks piled one on top of the other. Metal or wood wedges were inserted in the centers of the blocks to keep them in place. Since its construction in the 5th century BC, the Parthenon's fortunes have varied. After the 5th century AD, it was transformed into a Christian church, and in 1458, the Turks adopted it as a mosque. In 1687, during the bombardment by Venetians, a powder magazine in the temple exploded and demolished its center. Many of the Parthenon's sculptures were removed in the early 19th century, and latterly it has been eroded by pollution.